Hi traders, today is 10th of July 2019. So we are now live for CLQ WTI Crude Oil uh, August contract 2019. So at this moment I'm long position for two lots, contract size at 15 and 16. Still floating negative after the price went up for a moment and then fall down. So I'm expecting for the price to go further up. So let's wait and see. Maybe this might take a few hours to complete because this entry is the London session entry about 1 hour ago. So let's hope the price will go stable on the positive side. So this month we are floating 9 ticks, which is $90, minus $70. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also there's a bell notification. Please click on it, and also you can go to the description. There's a lot of another important links I provided for my live signal, and also my copy trade links, and maybe in futures I will include my tutorial how I manage to secure the market on daily basis on my day trade setup, which is far different from other setup. uh, this is from my 9 years experience. Okay, it looks good. We are now positive 10 US dollar. The target is 59.53, which is about 33. Yeah. Sorry, about 33 ticks or 333 US dollar. So now looks like try to move further up. Okay, so my target will be somewhere here. I think 50 also looks good. Put one. So this is the target area. So I'm expecting to exit somewhere here. This is my entry. Okay, so let's wait for the next maybe 1 hour and 1 hour and a half, whether this is achievable or not. And by the way, today is Friday, sorry, Wednesday, and there will be inventory, crude oil inventories around 9:30 a.m. US time. So this is from London session. Hopefully we manage to close it before the news trigger. Okay, market did move uh, on the right side, but then fall back again. So this might take a while. At this moment we are $90 in profit, and need to be careful if the price fall below here. um, Better exit the position than holding it, because there will be news tonight, so need to play safe. Okay, we are now entering US session. The market did jump up, and this quite a huge price movement at this moment. So let's take a look. Okay, it hang. I think we are now 610 US dollar in profit, and the target is 59.50. Okay, still stuck, maybe because of the price movement, or yeah, after all we are on the positive territory, and the target is 59.50 with 33 or 40 ticks in profit. Yeah, that's it. Now we can see we are not far. This is the target, should be enough by now. This is where I entered the market, so it was a good profit. So at this moment 590, I think I will exit 610. Shit, connection loss. Still got no connection. Still got no connection. I need to exit before the market reverse back. Okay, I exit one already, so you can see yeah. So now another 300. I think 330, 320. Yep. Okay. Price did move down. Okay. After all, did manage to did I manage to close my position? One moment. I still have low connectivity. So as you can see here, this is this this red triangle is my exit, and it is 59.50. This is why I entered the market during London session, and it's about 33 ticks to this point. It was a good one. So total profit for today, and let's check it. Okay, now the connection is back to normal. So manage to close the position. I think I don't hold any position left. Yeah, I've closed 2 position here with a profit. So total profit for today is 620 US dollar. So this is the London session entry. Was a good one. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And so there's a few links down there in description. Feel free to click it. Maybe there's also a video tutorial later on I will include in. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.